Well, the packaging's a little moist. What's the expiry date on this?
I guess
May 26th.
Hating you for that word. Oh, it's slimy.
So, we are doing another vegan cheese review, and today we are reviewing shredded mozzarellas. I have my friend Chelsea here, who has already been amazing in helping review some vegan cheeses. What did we review in the last couple episodes?
We've done cream cheese and specialty cheese, like Gouda and other hard cheeses.
Yeah, and I also did a cheddar one. And so I'm excited for this one because we're also going to make some nachos.
Yeah.
That should be good. So we're going to try it cold first and then we're going to melt it. So, which one are we trying first?
How about this one?
Sounds great.
Nuts cheese, aged 30 days. All right. Do you think this is supposed to be eaten cold ever? Or
Nope.
is it like, nope. Okay, so we're just going for it.
Yeah.
Oh, cheers, nope.
Cheers.
I don't like it like this. It's kind of what I expected it to taste like. Like I've had vegan grated cheese before, and
this tastes a bit
this is what it tastes
artificial.
like.
And let's not compromise the score since you would never eat this cold. Let's give this a try. But overall, thumbs down for cold.
But I still have hope.
Yeah.
Powdery thing going on here.
Yeah, definitely powdery. But I guess
as
that's
does normal grated cheese.
Yeah, you gotta keep it from sticking together.
Yeah. No cheers. I get it. Nope.
Weird aftertaste. At first I was like, oh, this is gonna be alright. And then
Yeah, at first I was like, this kind of just tastes like cheese.
okay, Daya. So I actually have this in my fridge, and Daya's not my favorite, but it's what they sell in every grocery store. And they do have better ones. Have you tried there's like two versions of
The
Daya?
block? The farm style block or something?
Farm style, I think.
Yeah,
or
that's good.
Cutting board is what it's called.
Yeah, yeah, okay, right.
Still gross. Cold.
Still gross.
Cold. This is your favorite brand.
I know, I was about to say, like, I will give them another chance. It's not blue cheese.
We tried a blue cheese of this version, and it was definitely not our favorite.
I reacted.
Blue cheese is not our favorite kind of cheese.
The ingredients look very similar to this as they did on the blue cheese one, so.
It looks nice.
Yeah.
Looks like plastic.
Very strong smell, I'm gonna be honest. I might just be like, this might be PTSD for me, but like, cheers.
Kind of like Play-Doh.
I hate it.
Yeah, Nabati.
This brand, I've never heard. They bend, like they look a little bit more, it's very like expanded. There's some air going on in there.
Yeah, it's dense. Well, the packaging's a little moist. What's the expiry date on this?
I guess
May 26th.
Hating you for that word. Oh, it's slimy.
It is.
It's really slimy. Okay. Tastes like air.
That's a good thing.
It's not bad.
For
Yeah,
what
it's
we've
better
been
than the
tasting.
others.
That's actually pretty.
It's the best one yet.
Yeah, that's pretty close to mozzarella. Like shredded, flavorless mozzarella.
Yeah. Because Natasha wants them to.
Oh.
Do it like this maybe, so then it's like very clear what. So there's 5? Oh. So one. You want to start?
Go ahead. Good. Good
A good
spread.
amount.
Oh.
A knee slapper.
Should I broil this?
Yeah. Nacho time. And then we wait. Cheers.
Cheers.
To a million cheeses.
Hopefully we're not burning here. I smell something. Okay, so we got the right order. So we have the cheese, we got the cheese, we got the nut cheese, we got the nut cheese, we got the Earth Island, we got the Earth Island, we got the Daya, we got the Daya, we got the Nabati, we got the Nabati. Go first.
Okay, sweet. What's
Daya.
one of the least? Give me that one.
Go ahead.
What's the stretch factor like? Not bad.
Hey, not bad.
Not bad, not bad. Okay.
Cheers. Better than I was expecting.
Me too.
Taste, I'll give it a 6.5. Texture, I'll say I mean, it looks really weird, but like it was kind of chewy for the pieces I had.
7. Are you gonna copy? You can copy me.
Yep, 7.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
That's what we're going with.
Not bad, not bad.
Let's try the Parmella.
Alright. Do people normally make mozzarella nachos? I just had a thought.
No.
Is this normal?
No, but they have melted mozzarella on pizza.
Pizza.
Sure.
Yeah. Flavor, I will give it a 6. And texture, a 6. I'm looking for some meltiness.
Yeah, there's
here
no
for
meltiness.
texture, yeah.
I'm gonna give it a 5 for texture and a 6 for this
Lumpy.
gross looking thing.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Okay.
And there's a monkey on the back, so.
It's very cheesy.
Yeah. It feels like, not like melted cheese, but like a cheese sauce.
Yeah.
Almost, because it's very like, kind of, I don't want to say the word mushy, because it's not bad.
I'm gonna give the flavor 7 and texture I'll give it a 5 because I don't want it to go down too much, but
Can't pick favorites, just because there's a monkey on the back.
yeah, true. But like the stringiness doesn't
fine.
really need to make a big deal.
Yeah. Yeah, flavor, I'll do 6.5, and texture, I don't dislike it, but I do want some melt, so I'm gonna go 4.5.
Okay.
Yeah, I feel like we're making nachos here. We want melty, stretchy stuff.
Okay, next we got is cheese. Let's try the cheese. Not my favorite.
Nope.
Okay, so for texture, I'm gonna give that an 8. For taste, I'm gonna give that a 3.5.
Oh, burn. I'm gonna go with texture. I'll give it an 8. It looks like melted mozzarella cheese, which I guess is what we're going for here. And then taste, I'm gonna go 3. Sorry, guys.
Next we have Nabati, and this one definitely looks the best.
I've got high hopes for this one.
Yeah, me too. What happens now? It kind of looks like cottage cheese in the middle.
I am not upset about this.
It's very neutral.
I like that one. I feel like it's the most like mozzarella cheese, and it doesn't repulse me.
That's true. That's a good point.
At this point, like, we can grade it by that, right?
Would you buy this?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, I would.
Yeah, with some salsa or guacamole, that'd be
It
pretty
needs
damn
some
good.
stuff. Like, I don't want to eat this as a snack,
Yeah.
but like if you put stuff with it and for some reason you don't want cheddar cheese on your nachos and you want mozzarella.
Yeah, but if you put it on pizza, that'd be...
On pizza, this would, yeah, that'd be great.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. I'm gonna go with an 8.
Okay.
Yeah, I thought it'd be more strained, even if it's been cooling a bit. Taste, I'm gonna give that... I'll give it an 8.
I'm gonna go 7. Like,
Cool.
it's the best comparatively to me, but
It doesn't taste like much. Or
it doesn't taste
anything.
like much, yeah.
But neither does mozzarella really. It just...
That's fair.
Yeah.
Okay, well, not
Cool. We have a winner, Nabati, 8.7 final score. Woo! Good job, Nabati. Good job.
bad. Not sponsored.
Yeah, not sponsored. Sponsor me.
Send me money.
Yeah. Well, that's all we got for mozzarella videos, but we got a lot more vegan cheese reviews, so check out those and you will learn what the best vegan cheeses are, so you can know what the best vegan cheeses are. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.